This has to do with going from point A to point B. It also has to do with intervals. So, you're going to try to make all of these intervals kind of equal. But this is the way this one works. So you start with pressure. You come over here and you build pressure at the end. You start with pressure, and here again, pick this up. You start with pressure, light in the middle, pressure on the end. Here again, you start with pressure. What was this second one? Start with pressure, lighten up in the middle, come back, and actually we can go out further. Start with pressure, light in the middle, dark on the end. Start with pressure, light in the middle, dark on the end. Start with pressure, light in the middle, dark on the end. So as you see, you have to think while you're drawing. So this is the ultimate in mind-eye coordination kinds of exercises. And of course, we can start to see how these now start to become things. The opposite of this exercise, so you want to do it both ways. The opposite is to start light, heavy in the middle, end light. Start light, heavy in the middle, end light. And here again, pick up. Start light, heavy in the middle, end light. 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 So now you can see our weight is shifted to these centers. So that is our next exercise, which has to do with putting the weight in the middle. Here the weight is on the corners, here the weight's in the middle. And here again, this is an excellent exercise for eye-mind coordination.